Hello, good afternoon everyone. Hello dear students. Hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss some concepts as well as we are going to discuss one program. Okay, how to calculate area of circle, rectangle. Okay, so let's start today's session. Notepad application. It's a text editor type of application where we're going to enter JavaScript, HTML plus JavaScript. We are embed. We're going to add page number 49, program number 9. Doc type declaration, HTML, head, title, area of circle, head tag close, title tag close, head tag close, body tag open, h1, and then script. Okay. So area of circle. Program name is what? Area of circle. Okay. Now inside body tag, I'm going to add h1 heading and program to calculate area of circle. Fine. Now close h1 tag. That main part, that is a script part. Script. So script is a pair type of tag, so that's why I'm going to use open tag and close tag. So language is a attribute of script, and JavaScript is the default client for scripting language. Okay, JavaScript. Now inside that we have to declare variable. Everyone knows about area of circle. Please chat with me. Area of circle formula. Yes, I want exact formula. Okay. Fine. So we need to store values. Okay, and right now we require variables. Okay, actually what is the purpose of variable? Which is used to hold value. Okay, so there are actually in that program there are two variables. First variable name is r and second variable name is area. So just I'm going to use same var r comma area. Okay, semicolon. So first variable name is, okay, समजलं, लक्षात आलं माझ्या. फक्त आता व्हेरिएबलचं नेम काय तुम्ही तिथे काय करा, चॅट मध्ये टाइप करा. प्लीज एंटर इन चॅट बॉक्स फर्स्ट व्हेरिएबल नेम. बघा मी आता यूज केलेलं आहे इथे, ऑलरेडी तुम्हाला दाखवतो. फर्स्ट व्हेरिएबल नेम. प्लीज टेल मी फर्स्ट व्हेरिएबल नेम. Yes, exactly. R is a first variable, not a capital R, it's a small r. Okay, Tejas, Soham, small r, because JavaScript is case sensitive language, case sensitive scripting language. Okay, so don't forget declaration. Okay, सो डिक्लेरेशन कसं आहे आपण यूज केलेलं आहे स्मॉल लेटरमध्ये, तसंच आपण काय करायचं आहे, इम्प्लिमेंट करायचं आहे, यूज करायचं आहे. सो स्मॉल आर मीन्स लोअर केस लेटर अँड एरिया इज अनदर व्हेरिएबल. नाव हियर आर, द पर्पज ऑफ आर इज यूज टू ॲक्सेप्ट रेडियस. ओके, टू होल्ड रेडियस व्हॅल्यू. सो हियर आर इज इक्वल टू PROMPT prompt in bracket enter what? The radius of circle. Enter the radius of circle. Okay, sorry, CLE. Okay, You can write default value, enter like this. Okay, radius, or radius here, radius, enter radius here. Okay, you can write anything in that. So how many number of string total? This is a first string and this is a second string. Okay, there are two number of strings. Now we are going to take input from user with the help of prompt function. Yesterday we discussed about prompt, right? Last time we discussed about prompt method, prompt function, and now our variable hold radius value, and directly you can put formula. Okay, like area is equal to 3.40, area is equal to, so directly use another variable, that is area. 3.40 is a constant value, right? You can use directly 3.14 multiplied by r multiplied by r. R square म्हणजे कसं लिहिणार आपण 2 times तुम्ही multiply करू शकतो. Okay, now area is available, result is available. Okay, and the result will store which is stored in area variable. Now we need to pass to the output statement, so document dot write is required. Document dot write. Okay, and now you can put proper message and enter area. Okay, proper message like h1, you enter radius here, radius value. Okay, entered radius value is fine. You can use concatenation symbol and here r. Okay, because r variable hold exact radius value and area variable hold calculation. Okay, to store result, actual result, means area of circle. And now again same statement, let me copy it and paste over it. Document dot write area is area of circle is. Okay, let me add a h1 tag. I want also here h1. Fine. And instead of r, now tell me which variable is required. Please reply me. Yes, absolutely right, area variable is required, because area variable is used to hold result. Okay, area of circle result कुठे स्टोर करणार आहे आपण, एरिया नावाचा व्हेरिएबल यूज करायचा आहे, तो स्टोर करणार आहे. yes or no? So we need to pass to the output statement. How to use document dot write and directly you can put area. Okay, that's it. So if I save this file, we need to store in proper directory. This is js area of circle, arcle.html. The file name is ar circle. Okay, and extension of that file is .html. Say if I save this, let me execute. See, this is a area of circle file. So I double click on that, then display browser, display what? Browser screen, Internet Explorer browser, program to calculate area of circle, and it shows one prompt, right? Now we need to enter radius exactly. Now I am going to enter 5 number. Yes, oh sorry, 78.5. Area of circle is 78.5. Okay, see, entered radius value is 5 and area of circle is 78.5. So in this way you can write your code. This is about area of circle code. Now tell me how many number of variable in that program. Everyone knows about it. How many variables? Yes, 2 variables. Okay, first variable name is again r and second variable name is area. Okay, this is a simple script code. Okay, you can write similar code, yes or no? Okay, you are able to write similar code like area of rectangle, area of triangle. Okay, सगळ्यांना माहिती आहेत फॉर्म्युलाज त्या प्रत्येकाचे, त्यामुळे त्यामध्ये काही डिफिकल्टी नसणार आहे तुम्हाला. हां, आता एरिया ऑफ जर तुम्ही ट्रायंगल म्हटलात तर 0.5 हे तुम्हाला माहीत पाहिजे. हाफला आपण काय करणार आहोत, 0.5ने तुम्हाला काय करायला लागेल, यूज करायला लागेल. 1/2 करून नाही चालणार तिथे. ओके, सपोज if they ask calculate area of triangle, then what will be the exact formula for area of to calculate area of triangle? To calculate area of triangle, which formula is required? Okay, yes. Okay, half into base into height. Exactly. But remember, when you write code in JavaScript, whenever you put any type of formula in formula on system in particular language, in particular JavaScript, okay, mostly in JavaScript, so you have to write like this 0.5. and how to use multiplication operator, asterisk. Everyone knows about it. Arithmetic operators in JavaScript: addition symbol, plus symbol; subtraction, minus symbol. Second, third, multiplication, asterisk. Yes, so asterisk, you have to use asterisk. And then base, BASE. Okay, and then what? Height, multiply by height, asterisk, HEIGHT. So this is a exact formula, okay, to calculate area of what? Triangle. Fine. So hope you understand how to exactly how to write exact formula in JavaScript. Okay, please give me reply yes or no. Okay, so let's move to the another concept, and that is a very interesting concept: decision making statements in JavaScript. Now there are different statements when we talk about decision making statements. Okay, first type name is if statement. Our syntax: if, in bracket condition, curly bracket open, statement block means code block, and curly bracket close means statement block. Means what? Statement block means line of code, JavaScript statements, which is called as a statement block. Okay, if condition is true, then execute statement block. If condition is false, then it will not show any type of message, it will not execute any type of statements, because there is no any type of statement block. Okay, after closing curly bracket. See, decision making statement is also called as conditional statements. Okay, if the condition expression given the parenthesis is true, then the statement within the block will be executed, followed by execution of the remaining program. If the conditional expression evaluates to false, then the statement block will not be executed. Note that if statement block constitutes a single statement, then drawing curly brackets is optional. Okay, see, this is very important. If there is a single statement in after if, okay, after if condition is true, then it's the first line. Okay, in means block statement block, right? If there is a single statement, then no need to write curly brackets. It's optional. Okay, it's not mandatory, it's not compulsory. First name is okay. Fine. Now syntax of if statement. See, this is very important to write syntax. Okay, because after all you are going to work into that statements, into that code block, so you have to know about how to write exact syntax, how to write exact format for if statement. So first of all, if keyword, if is a reserved word, okay, in JavaScript, and in bracket we are going to provide one condition. If condition is true, then execute this statement block. बघा मी इथे हायलाइट केलंय, कर्ली ब्रॅकेट ओपन, म्हणजे कर्ली ब्रॅकेट मध्ये एंट्री कधी मिळेल त्याला, if condition is true. It will depend upon condition. If condition is false, this will not execute any type of statement because there is no any statement block. Okay, and if remember, if there is a single statement like this statement block only, okay, then no need to write, no need to provide curly bracket. Okay, it's a optional, but better way to write curly bracket, you have to habitual with this curly brackets. So this is about first type, that is a if condition. Now another type, second type name is if dot else statement, either this or that, if else statements. Now syntax, बघा syntax मध्ये तुम्हाला लगेच अंडरस्टँड होईल कन्सेप्ट काय ते. if condition, if what condition, if condition is true, then execute first block, means statement block. Okay, if condition is false, it will cursor transfer to the another block, that is a else block. If condition is true, then execute what, first block, and if condition is false, then execute else block. Okay, now explanation. If the conditional expression evaluates to true, then true block statement will be executed, otherwise false block, that is the else part, will be executed. At the time either true block or false block will be executed, not both. Okay, remember, it's not possible to execute all statements. Okay, either first block or else block. Now there is one note. If else if ladder is used to check multiple conditions at a time, only one condition is true. If not, then else part is executed. Okay, now this one is a third, you can say third type. Okay, here we go, third point, if else if else statement. Okay, which is gives in that note, if else if ladder. Okay, so this is the last program. Okay, I am going to create another. Dear student, observe it properly. This is a else, if else. Okay, so I'm going to put if else programs, if else program. Okay, fine, if else program dot html, or if only. Okay, if statement dot html. Okay, file name is what, if statement. Let me clear all statements inside that. So because these are statements in script block, in script tag. Fine, and now I also need to change this title. It's a program of if statement, if statement program of, okay, program of if statement. Fine, say this script. Now variable, see if I use var keyword to declare variable, and I'm going to use a value. Okay, a value. Now see I want to, this, what is the purpose of a? Now I want to store number in that a. Okay, now you can write comment for it. It's not compulsory to everyone to write comment. It's a developer reference or your reference as well. Fine, so a variable, सिंगल कोट मध्ये लिहूया आपण, ए व्हेरिएबल इज यूज to store number. Okay, see, this is a comment in JavaScript. Which type of comment? Now tell me, everyone knows about it. You should tell me which type of comment. 2 forward slashes means this is actually there are 2 type of comment. So forward slashes. Okay, बघा फॉरवर्ड स्लॅशचा मीनिंग बघा दोन. देर आर 2 टाइप ऑफ कमेंट. वन इज सिंगल लाइन कमेंट and second is a multi-line comment. Okay, so for first and foremost, single line comment, 2 forward slashes are used to write single line comment. Okay, and forward slash, asterisk, statements, multiple line statements, asterisk and forward slash means what? Multi-line comment. So in JavaScript there are 2 type of comment. Fine. And now tell me which comment we use. Okay, forward slash means single line comment. Exactly, Anushka. Good. Okay, so this is for my reference. A is equal to prompt prompt in bracket enter any number. Okay, आपल्याला चेक करायचं आहे. कसं चेक करायचं आहे? whether enter number is negative or positive. Okay, so we require what? If statement. Okay, if a is greater than 0. Okay, curly bracket open, curly bracket close. Inside that block, see, this is a curly bracket. Okay, see, this symbol is called as curly bracket. बघा मी कसं लिहितो इथे, टाइप करतो मी याच्यामध्ये. प्लीज नोट इट डाउन. दिस symbol is called as what? Opening curly bracket. Fine, this is called as opening curly bracket. Okay, and this is what? This is called as what? This is called as closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Please note it down. Okay, fine. समझ ना? curly bracket, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Within that statement block, within that what? Number of statement, number of JavaScript statements. And now I am going to put one statement inside that block. Okay, that is a document dot write or alert. Okay, simply use document dot write. In that, entered number is positive. Okay, if I save this file and let me execute the same on browser, program, sorry, असं लिहायला पाहिजे होतं आपलं, program of if statement, sorry, undefined म्हटलेलं enter any number. I'm going to put 1 0 10. Okay, see, enter number is positive. Enter number is what? Positive. Let me change this statement. That is a program of if statement. Sorry. Okay, you can put any value. Enter number is what? Positive. See, if I execute the same and if I enter, okay, this is just my testing phase. Okay, because every developer is tester. Okay, so I'm going to test my program. Okay, if I want to type other value like negative value. If I put negative value like -8, then it will not show any type of output to the user because there is no any other block. Okay, because statement false, because if statement is what? False. And ह्याच्या बरोबर अपोजिट बघूया, दोनच बघूया आणि मग स्टॉप करूया आपण. else block. Okay, else, if I put else and if I write this same, okay, and if I put here negative, either positive or negative, right? So else block. See, if I refresh the program and if I put 50, then display positive number. If again I refresh using F5 and put -10, then it shows exact output, means else block. It will execute what? Which block? Else block. So that's why this shows me negative number. Its entered number is what? Negative. Entered, sorry, ed, entered number. Okay, by -50 enter, then entered number is negative. Okay, so this is about decision making statements, you can say, or you can call it as conditional statement, decision making statements in JavaScript. लास्ट फक्त राहिलेला आपला इफ else ते आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला काय करूया, डिस्कस करूया. समजते कन्सेप्ट सगळ्यांना? इज देयर एनी डिफिकल्टी? टेक केअर, बाय बाय, हॅपी कोडिंग.